Hi everybody, today I will show you how you write a matrix on the TI-84 calculator. 84 plus. So you go second, then on the exponent -1 there is written, because it's second it's now blue, and you press here because it's written matrix, and you see there are matrices, different ones. And now we'll edit one. Okay, just not this one. I need this. Is it the same? Yes, it's the same. So I will change this one. So the first number is for the amount of lines you have, horizontal lines. So if you put 5, you will have 5. And the second one is for the columns. So if you put 2, you have 2. And to type numbers, you write it. And then if you press enter, it's written, and then it goes to the next field. You can fill it. And if you press up and down or down, then also it changes. But if you press left and right or right, it doesn't change. And it was the matrix 6. So you take 6 and press enter, and you see the matrix. And you can also make the matrix multiplication, but you need the same dimensions. So the amount of horizontal lines must be the same as the amount of the vertical lines from the first to the second. So if you want to multiply it, you can have three columns, and then three lines, horizontal lines. So they are almost all quadratic. Here's a good example. So if I take at first this one, I multiply on 3. Then it can't work. Maybe it should, because the dimension isn't the same, because here you have only 1 and here 3. But if you do the opposite, it will work. So the matrix A multiplied with the matrix H works, and you get 0.8, 0.1, minus 0.9. And you can also calculate the inverse matrix. For example, from A, you press here, or you can also press here and type -1. But if you have an older edition of the calculator, it wouldn't work, because it won't be written like this. You will see this sign. And I think it wasn't a good example. Let's check. Okay, it's one without the inverse matrix I took. So try again with this, and you see it works. And here is also a thing. If you press right, it will move, or left. It's not relevant because it's only a little bit moving. But if you go up and once down, you can't move anymore. What you could do is make stop and choose the matrix where you want to put it. I will choose 6, and then it's in there. and you can go and edit and see all numbers. And if you add numbers with a lot of commas, you can go on the number and you see the exact value. But here it's a calculated mistake, because it should be 4 and not 3.999999. And to show you why there is a difference between this or this, I will show it you the solver. So in Math Alpha B, you should write here this, you see the difference, you see the sign, and if you press this days, it's just written like this. So that's the difference, which also counts for the matrix on the older editions of this calculator. So on TI-84 or 82. And just a little thing, if you want to change your luminosity, you click second and then down if you want less luminosity, or up if you want more, and you see a little number appearing there. But usually I take the step just before 5. I'll let it like this. But in standard it's the step before 6. But the battery finishes faster if you take more, and you don't need that much, because if you go up you will notice something. You see it? And so now I'm around 8. It takes too much battery, and if you go too much down you won't see anything if you do long enough. But I want to go down. I will go back to the standard. Let's see. So I hope this has helped you, and if you want, next time I can show you how to write a program and how I made the discriminant program. Because if you have a question like ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then this program is very useful. And if you have for a1, for b2, for c1, for example, you have delta 0 and x is minus 1, or if you have this, it won't work. Or if you put 0, there's a domain error, because you can't divide by 0, so you can re-put the numbers, and it's again too deep, and here is only for answers, delta. So let's see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and hope also that it has helped you. Bye.